that you're curious, I know that you're strong. But life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow. But who knows if we get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end.
Sebastian, on this day, do you take Chloe to be your lawful wedded wife, to be your best friend, equal and one true love, to teach and learn from, to laugh with often, to support and encourage from this day forward and for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Chloe, on this day, do you take Sebastian to be your lawful wedded husband, to be your best friend, your true love, to teach and learn from, to laugh with and often, to support and encourage from this day forward and for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Sebastian and Chloe have agreed to wear these rings as a symbol of their love in front of family and friends as witnesses. In the wearing of these rings, they publicly acknowledge their union for all to see. Therefore, it gives me great pleasure to pronounce these two husband and wife. Sebastian and Chloe, you may kiss.
Sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. And if you ever wonder, there is nothing wrong with a little thunder. There's things in life you simply need to know.
Please be upstanding, make some noise, and give it up for Australia's newest couple, Mrs. Chloe and Mr. Sebastian Paez, ladies and gentlemen.
Before you make it safely to the end, the end. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end. Before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. And if you ever wonder, there is nothing wrong with a little thunder. There's things in life you simply need to know. About sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end. Before you make it safely to